Privacy versus security, the debate over encryption and surveillance. The digital age has ushered in unprecedented levels of connectivity and convenience, but it has also sparked a significant debate over privacy and security. Central to this debate is the issue of encryption and surveillance. Encryption is a crucial tool for protecting individual privacy, ensuring that personal communications and data remain confidential. Conversely, surveillance is seen as essential for national security and law enforcement, enabling authorities to monitor and intercept potentially harmful activities. Balancing these two imperatives is a complex and contentious issue, with strong arguments on both sides. The case for privacy. 1. Protection of personal information. Encryption is vital for safeguarding personal information. It ensures that data, whether in transit or at rest, remains inaccessible to unauthorized parties. This protection is crucial for maintaining the confidentiality of sensitive information such as financial records, health data, and private communications. 2. Freedom of expression. Strong encryption fosters freedom of expression by providing a safe space for individuals to communicate without fear of surveillance or retaliation. It is particularly important for journalists, activists, and dissidents who rely on secure communication to protect their sources and advocate for change in repressive regimes. 3. Economic security. Businesses depend on encryption to protect proprietary information, trade secrets, and customer data. Robust encryption practices are essential for preventing data breaches, which can lead to significant financial losses and reputational damage. 4. Fundamental rights. Privacy is a fundamental human right recognized by various international treaties and constitutions. Strong encryption helps uphold this right in the digital realm, ensuring that individuals can maintain control over their personal information. The case for security. 1. National security. Governments argue that surveillance capabilities are crucial for national security. Encryption can hinder efforts to detect and prevent terrorist activities, espionage, and other threats. Law enforcement agencies often advocate for backdoors in encryption systems to access critical information during investigations. 2. Crime prevention. Surveillance tools enable law enforcement to monitor criminal activities, gather evidence, and apprehend offenders. Encryption can impede investigations by making it difficult to intercept communications and access data related to criminal operations. 3. Public safety. Access to encrypted information can be essential for public safety. For example, in cases of kidnappings or threats of violence, law enforcement agencies need the ability to quickly access communications to protect potential victims and respond effectively. The middle ground, finding a balance. 1. Encryption backdoors. One proposed solution is the implementation of encryption backdoors, which would allow authorized parties to access encrypted data under specific circumstances. However, this approach is highly controversial, as it introduces potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors, undermining the overall security of encryption systems. 2. Key escrow. Key escrow involves storing encryption keys with a trusted third party, who can provide access to law enforcement under strict legal conditions. While this method aims to balance privacy and security, it raises concerns about the security of the escrowed keys and the potential for misuse. 3. Legal frameworks and oversight. Establishing robust legal frameworks and oversight mechanisms can help ensure that surveillance powers are used responsibly and transparently. Clear guidelines, judicial review, and accountability measures can mitigate the risk of abuse while enabling law enforcement to access necessary information. 4. Technological solutions. Advances in technology may offer solutions that enhance both privacy and security. For example, homomorphic encryption allows computations to be performed on encrypted data without decrypting it, potentially enabling secure data analysis without compromising privacy. The global perspective. 1. Differing approaches. Countries around the world take varying approaches to the balance between privacy and security. Some prioritize robust privacy protections, while others emphasize national security. These differing approaches can lead to international tensions and complicate efforts to establish global standards. 2. International cooperation. Global cooperation is essential for addressing the challenges posed by encryption and surveillance. International agreements and frameworks can help harmonize policies, facilitate information sharing, and ensure that privacy and security concerns are addressed collaboratively. The debate over privacy and security, particularly in the context of encryption and surveillance, is a complex and multifaceted issue. Both sides present compelling arguments, highlighting the need to protect individual privacy and ensure national security. Finding a balance requires thoughtful consideration of the implications of each approach and a commitment to upholding fundamental rights while addressing legitimate security concerns. As technology continues to evolve, ongoing dialogue and collaboration among stakeholders will be crucial for navigating this challenging landscape and achieving a sustainable balance between privacy and security. Visit the link in the description below for more information.